Hey guys, hello, what's up? Welcome back to another amazing video of Dash Brothers. Guys, so I ordered something a couple of weeks back and I exactly don't remember that what is it. I ordered it from Amazon. So let's quickly unbox this item and check out that what is it actually. So guys, I have opened the packet and I have got this box and I exactly don't know that what is inside this. But there is something written and it is Tygot and the MRP, and we are having something over here also QR codes. So exactly what is it? Let's quickly find out. So let me open it and oh my god, OMG. Guys, I ordered this item a couple of weeks back and I was quite excited with this. It is actually a Gorilla tripod and I forgot that I ordered it. Now, really, let's quickly open this, slice this packet and take out these items and check out them very quickly. So guys, I've sliced the packet and I've taken out the Gorilla tripod along with this mobile clip which is adjustable. So let's quickly go through it and let me tell you that what is the speciality of Gorilla tripods. The thing for which people are crazy are that you can see that there is some sort of 360 rotation over here. So it is having it, the 360 rotation is over here, then in the same way over here also, then over here, and the whole leg is having it, not only one but all the legs, and you can easily adjust it. Apart from it, you are having a 360 rotation ball over here, with the help of which you can easily rotate this, and on the top of it you would be having your mobile clip which will adjust according to the width of your mobile phone. Then you can easily do whatever you want. If you want to place it on a table, just do like this and adjust the legs as you want, then place it like this, and then you are having your mini tripod ready. And if you are vlogging, then just join these three legs and then you can just hold it like this and have your mobile phone or camera, whatever you want over here. Then you can just start vlogging and it would be awesome. So guys, this is a Gorilla tripod by the Tygot company, as it was there written on this box, Tygot. So this Gorilla tripod, guys, let me quickly tell you that it was of 299 rupees, which is approximately 300, and there was an option offer that along with this Gorilla tripod there was one camera, the remote camera, with the help of which, guys, you would be able to click amazing pictures. And the very awesome thing was that it was easy to connect with the help of Bluetooth. But I didn't require it, and so I purchased this, the other offer, which was 299, and really it's quite awesome and it is going to help me in content creation and shooting videos a lot. Let me quickly tell you one of its more mechanism, that as soon as you would be pressing this button like thing over here, and then you would be just pushing it, then you would be having this part out. But what is the function of it? So while tightening it, or you can say while attaching to it, you need to first take it out, and then, because if you will not take out and you will just try to do this along with your mobile clip, it will also rotate the screw and it will not get tight. So you just have to press it gently and then rotate it so that it gets fixed properly, and just then attach it on the top of your Gorilla tripod like this, and you are ready to use your Gorilla tripod. Then shoot whatever you want, or if you want this to be a mini tripod, then set it up like a tripod as I told, and then enjoy your tripod. One more thing, guys, you all must be thinking that we are having let me quickly open this first. We are having something over here also and here also to tighten and attach to it. Why over here? We can easily attach it like this, and I have showed you also. So why over here? Like if you want to shoot in portrait mode, then guys, you can easily attach it like this, and then you can easily just hold your tripod from here and you can easily shoot in portrait mode, or in the same way landscape. So it depends on you that how you prefer to shoot. Do you prefer to hold it vertically, or you prefer to hold it like this horizontally and having your camera over here, or maybe mobile phone over here? So really, guys, let me now finally tell you that what do I think of this. amazing this amazing product. So it is for something very techy, and you can easily purchase it from Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, from anywhere you want. And the price is quite awesome. And if you want, you can also purchase that remote. There's nothing special in it, but you just have to take some button cells in place behind the remote for battery, and then guys you simply have to connect that remote via Bluetooth to your mobile phone, and then you can start capturing photos. But in my case I didn't require it, as I have told, so I purchased this. And really it was quite awesome, and we are having a number of more things guys piled up to unbox for you. I would very soon be unboxing a microphone for you guys. And guys, quickly go down and comment that did you like this item and what next should I unbox, because guys I personally like this a lot, because I always wanted to have a Gorilla tripod, and now really this product is very cool. And the thing which I like it, that it is having two functions. The first thing, you can use it as a normal tripod like this, and the second function is that you can use it while vlogging. So whenever I would be making a vlog, then I would be surely using. And guys, if you are not checked out, go and quickly check out one of my previous vlogs, which you all liked a lot. Quickly check out that vlog. Link of that vlog is in the description below. And quickly now go and subscribe to the channel. Please comment down that which video do you all want next, and also comment down that was this product useful or not. I want to tell you guys that very soon I am going to bring another unboxing video for you all, and a number of more programming videos are also left. So I need your support for this all, and you can easily support me by subscribing to the channel, sharing my videos with your friends and family, liking my videos, and by commenting down. So I read each and every comment. I would be very soon bringing another amazing video. Till then, goodbye, take care.